IR and UV technologies are transforming automotive manufacturing by enabling faster, cleaner, and more precisely controlled processes. Infrared heating emits energy directly into coatings, adhesives, and composite materials, allowing controlled heating without impacting surrounding areas. This makes IR ideal for paint curing and repair applications, where short cycle times, reduced energy consumption, and consistent service quality are essential. Ultraviolet curing uses high-intensity UV radiation to instantly cure inks, coatings, and adhesives, enabling immediate handling as well as enhancing scratch and chemical resistance. In battery manufacturing, IR and UV are used to precisely dry electrode coatings, as well as curing protective resins and structural bonding materials, improving throughput, uniformity, and process stability. For windscreen and glazing manufacturing, IR assists with controlled heating and forming of glass and interlayers, while UV curing ensures rapid, reliable bonding of adhesives and coatings. Together, IR and UV technologies enable compact, energy-efficient systems that support higher productivity, lower emissions, and consistent quality across a wide range of automotive processes. If you'd like to know more about using IR and UV for any of your automotive applications, please don't hesitate to get in touch.